New tonight, a story of survival shared from a city of 500 people. One family credits a nearby neighbor with saving them when that tornado touched down. Our reporter Aaron Velasquez shares that life-saving story and how a Good Samaritan swooped in to help. Aaron.
Katie, this is the room that Noah Hamby and his family were in when the tornado struck. In these photos, you can see how the roof has been completely torn off their building, parts of it falling on the very beds their kids sleep on. They credit the quick actions of a neighbor with saving their lives.
You're helpless. There's nothing you can do.
Noah Hamby describes the experience of escaping the tornado in Sunbright with his family.
And we come out this way and ran around.
They made their way through their neighbor's yard, feet away from his cellar, when the tornado knocked Alexis Hamby down.
It took me straight off my feet, and I had her in my arms.
Noah watched as his wife and kids fought the winds.
She was able to push herself to right here, and that's when debris and everything started hitting her feet, and she, tumbled with the baby.
He then grabbed his wife, and their neighbor pulled them all in from the storm.
And he grabbed her, and I grabbed him, and I just drug all four of them into the basement.
An escape, they say, couldn't have happened a second later.
If anything would have played out a second different, it would have totally had a different outcome.
The neighbor says he did what anybody else would do.
I mean, it feels good knowing that I helped them, but, any normal person would, I believe.
The Hambys say if it wasn't for him, they would not be here now.
And we actually survived that tornado. We was outside in that tornado, and if it wasn't for our neighbor and the grace of God, it was...
The Hamby family says they are grateful from the support they received from the community. We'll keep you updated as we learn more. Back to you, Katie.